Hi Dorji, it's Christine. Hello. I just want to show you that by pressing this button over here, you can tell when your high cal is due. So this one, for instance, is due 126. So this one's due now. When you see that the numbers are off, just do your own low cal, or you can just go back and just try to do high cal. You need 2 tanks. You need your NO2 tank and your NO tank. Okay, and they're really tiny. I'm gonna go get them for you, okay? You see here, they're due, all 3 of them. So when you see that your numbers are off, most likely it's because it's due for high cal, okay? I'm gonna send you another video doing the high cal. Okay, ready, George? All right, so now we're gonna high cal our nitric oxide, okay? Don't forget, grab your sample line over here. Make sure you have your nitric oxide tank, right? I'm gonna go ahead and connect my sample line to the side where it fits. It doesn't fit here, it fits here. So now you're gonna tighten it up, make sure it's nice and tight, right? We're gonna go ahead and touch our nitric oxide tab. Press next button, just follow the prompts, okay? Everything's connected, regulator, everything's connected. I removed the sample line. I'm gonna turn it on. I have to turn on my tank. All right, my tank is on, nitric oxide, my sample line is connected, and I'm gonna start calibration. And this calibration takes about 3 minutes. All 3 tabs, nitric dioxide, nitric oxide, and our oxygen, all take approximately 3 minutes to calibrate, okay? It's pretty easy. I will come back to you when it's almost done so you can see what it looks like, okay? All right, bye. There you go. As you can see, 3 minutes is up. Now it tells you calibration passed, disconnect patient gas, turn off your tank first and foremost, right? You don't want that out exposing the air. Turn it off. All right, you see the gauge? All right, it's coming down. And now you can disconnect your sample line. Okay, so now that you've disconnected your sample line, you can go ahead and return it back to its pre-use setup. All right, so now you go to next. Sample line was removed, and now it says all done. You see, now it's due in a month from now. So we did our nitric oxide, our nitric dioxide, and the same thing we can do for oxygen by again grabbing your sample line and just putting it here. Turn up the flow. I'm gonna do it now. As a matter of fact, let me do it now. I hope we have enough in our tank. All right, put it towards your flow meter here in the idle blender. Again, sample line connected to your flow meter. Turn up your flow. Let's start calibration with the oxygen. Calibration in progress. We don't need that much oxygen, right? No. All right, perfect. All right, and it's going to take about 3 minutes as well. All right? All right, let me know if this was helpful. I can do another one if you want.